Buying a used car can be a scary thing. How do you know if you're getting an honest deal? Now, what about all that other stuff like insurance, warranty, and maintenance? There are enough loops and curves to make anyone dizzy. At Expat Auto, we believe that buying or selling a used car should be a pleasant and straightforward experience. That's why we provide a one-stop solution for your automotive needs. No more hidden turns or dead ends. We'll guide you through all the tough decisions so you drive away feeling good about your purchase. We'll start by answering all your questions like, what paperwork will I need? How does the inspection and warranty work? What insurance do I purchase? We'll then navigate you through the entire buying process, starting with finding a car that meets your unique needs, then on to licensing, and finally, adding those desired accessories to your vehicle, even if you didn't buy your car from us. Our pricing is haggle-free, which means you'll get a great car at a fair price, without the stress and games of negotiating. After the sale, you can have peace of mind that comes with all our warranty options and 24-hour roadside assistance. We also provide after-sales repair and maintenance during and after the warranty, as well as help with your insurance and registration renewals. We can even help you sell your car through our consignment service if you're planning to leave the country or simply want to upgrade. So if you thought you had to make a used car purchase alone, think again. We're here to help you. Set your GPS for Expat Auto. We're not just selling used cars, we're selling peace of mind.